Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In this guide video, I'm simply going to guide you on how you can actually change your Instagram picture after posting. So I'm also going to tell you if this is actually really possible or not, and I'm also going to offer you some alternatives and give you an honest and a truthful answer. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end, but if you are new to our channel, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So can you change your Instagram picture after posting? In this video, we're simply going to discuss on the ways whether you can really change your Instagram picture after it has been posted or not. So make sure to simply watch this video till the end. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Instagram app to the latest version. If not, then head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you need to type in Instagram and then simply go ahead and update the first application which comes up on the list. After we've updated Instagram, I'm going to simply open them and make sure that we are logged into our account. Now what you want to do is, first of all, we are going to go to our profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now let's say I simply select a carousel post right over here. Now in order to edit this post, what I'm going to do is simply tap on the three dots on the next to any post which you are trying to edit. So simply tap on the three dots, and here at the bottom in the pop-up menu, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the button which says edit. So I'm going to simply tap on edit, and here you can see that we do have the option to actually change the caption. And you can see we have multiple photos and we don't have the option to actually change this photo after posting. But there is that one thing which Instagram has recently added, and that is that you are actually able to delete one particular photo from these photos right over here. Let's say that you want to delete this photo. What you want to do is, on the top left, you'll be able to see this delete icon or this trash icon. You can simply tap on that trash icon and then tap on delete right over here. Once you do that, from 4 photos, you can see we only have currently 3 photos. Now the thing is that you are actually able to change your caption, and you are actually also able to delete a particular photo, but you're not actually able to add another photo to this list right over here. So this is simply the truth of this video. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.